In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block websites on Chrome browser in PC. So let's get started. First, open Chrome browser and go to chromewebstore.google.com. Now in the search bar at the top, type block site. Now hit enter. Well, this is the Chrome extension from the blocksite.co that we are going to use to block websites on Chrome browser. Click on extension to open. Now click Add to Chrome button. In the pop-up, click Add extension and this will add the extension to Chrome browser. The extension page will be opened in the new tab. Just accept the terms and you will get an option to choose the subscription plan. This is not mandatory and is only required to access all the features. You can click skip button to proceed. Now click add to block list button. Just enter the website URL that you wish to block. And now click done button. You can even use redirect feature if you wish to redirect to some other website in case the blocked website is accessed. You can even set schedule to select which days and time frames to block list will be active. Now if you try to access blocked website, which is Facebook in our case, it will be redirected to youtube.com. If redirect is not set, then web page will be displayed with the message as website unavailable. If you wish to remove the website from blocked list, then just click on delete icon for that website and the website will be removed from blocked list. So that is how you can block websites on Chrome browser in PC. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.